Releasing dopamine.
What's up guys, about Psynos coming in the building. Like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and we there with another
Inside.
Brand new
inside,
banger.
Inside.
Yeah, but as usual guys, before we get tonight, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, because it really help out your Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, no more itching, right into it.
Look at this dude. Bruh.
Yes.
Brutality.
Oh, what am I do? A thief, mati. Nigga. Yo, my feet.
He needs some milk.
Dog, my feet. Jesus. Salamala gole, me feel that for your dog. And when did I do thief? Jesus. Miss married me. Take everything we like, yo. It's all about money, yeah. Take every card, everything. Miss what? Miss, you single?
Bruh.
That's couple's goal. My girl, a bubble and I eat, man. If I eat piece, I eat TR piece and my bubble. When outside was outside, I miss outside.
Corona shooting out, going we are shoot out Corona, and I care how far or near it is.
Bruh.
Mileage, we reached it from a distance.
Oh, son.
Yeah. What that? Pananak? Alright. Check it out. Bullet. Alright. Bam boom.
Look at this
Bam
dude.
boom. Alright.
A corona gun.
Fuck you talking about, I ain't going nowhere, nigga. You don't really want no static. Fuck you talking about, I ain't going nowhere, nigga. You don't really want no static.
Adonia, forward over here, man. Who did know say Adonia release a EP about a month ago? Apart from me, I tell you no now. I bet say none of you no know. Because guess what, nobody no recognize him in a dancehall music. Them man they take with themselves out of dancehall music for ear and ad, can't find song to put together. And now your concept vice Kartel look like he mentally ill. So you make a man behind bars where you say mentally ill, a kick out on the teacher in a dancehall music, brother. Only should be ashamed of yourself and embarrassed to make a man who in a prison for 9 years and you say he mentally ill, a kick out your teacher and you in the free world. Brother, you always make posts and embarrass yourself, man. Brother, take down the post, man, and go hide yourself, man. Go hide up underneath your girl or your wife, because you're a madman. And you are the madman, you know what I'm saying?
Bruh.
He needs some milk.
Alright peeps, so my whole 2 cents on the video is some little video we just get from people and what circle the internet. When we get, we just put up and thing, we just build our vibes, and so the man there, we had this Adonia, them are tell Adonia so take down in post, and it might have a little point still in terms of certain little things, But I rate the fact say I tell the man about the one that mother. And I'm girl, I should say. Correction. I never rate that still. You know what I mean? And that man there with the cylinder. I don't know if a thief, you're a thief. Look like I take away something from your jump over fence. Yeah. You have to go look work. Cause I know the owner would walk through the gate, you have to take a fence. That girl let do we a dance. Lace miss more meet you married me here. Me like that something there. It's nice. Hot dog. She look weird and do her foot thing still, but she hot, she bad. I like it. And the beef thing, that cow thing, that corny joke, they still, it bad still. But anyway, peeps, let me know what you think down below in the comment section and thing. And remember to check out my new channel, guys. It just start off. Head over there and hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification. Do appreciate it, guys. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. I put everything down below in the description and thing, and just go on journey with your boy. All right. Shoo.
Yeah.